Hello, this is Deliverable 7. We're talking about digital and technology growth in an organization. Digital growth means that we can take the classes online, video chat with friends and family, create a professional network online. It does not stop there. Informational technology helps shape the development of society. Society impacts on how society works, but digital growth begins with computers, phones, tablets. We all have to work with these digital growth to help our community and our company grow and become ready for the future. Digital growth is always changing, and we have to keep up with the changes. The digital impact on the growth has become more aware of the systems and apps to our store. We offer customers more options to use different types of ways to buy items and help customers understand the new way of buying. Digital growth in our store shows the customers the new apps to help save with coupons and receive discounts on these items. Digital growth helps our store become more savvy with ever-changing technology. Start with online options that nobody else offers and maybe start delivery. Technology can help us out the hole we are in choosing the correct directions which to succeed. Digital growth in the future will help everyone buy online, and the store will be a thing of the past. I hope this doesn't happen, but it looks like it's going in this direction. Maybe with fewer stores will be left out there for people that don't like to shop online. Many qualified observers feel that technology, especially automatic machine learning and artificial intelligence, will drastically reduce the number of available jobs in the future, perhaps within 20 years. Digital identity and organizational identity. Social media shows that employees after work and what they post, and hopefully use the best judgment on the way they are doing. We don't want to see anyone not being appropriate in their posts and people not coming to our organization because of the posts of our employees. We want to be professional judgment over all done on what is posted before you post the picture or saying. Think on how it reflects you as a person and how it will affect your job. If you think it will call attention to you, don't post it, and use your best judgment and think things through. We use online sources to see what is happening in the world, what people are posting and what they like and dislike, and happens to help our organization to see how people like things, and that will help us grow as a company. We also like to see if our employees are not posting wrong things or posting things against our company. We look at all angles to see what the digital world is doing in a group setting. We will try to keep up with the new programs and see what the new sources are out there. Identity and success of the store. We should be in the know of the success of the digital world, creating, evaluating, analyzing, applying, understanding, and remembering stages used to making sure the digital growth is always happening. Using these stages help organizations grow with technology and always learning the new ways of the digital world. Success can be learned from dare to be different and willing to be able to change with the future. Promoting a new innovational approach could help, if not successful, or damage the professional reputation of an intermediary. Create dialogue and communication between the different social medias. Clearly, social media is a very useful means to break the traditional forms of corporate communication. Lastly, be relevant to the digital levels happening in the real-time process. The organization misses the development because it focuses on short-term financial meters rather than designing product relevant to the next generation. Staying relevant to the digital future will help you. Changes and benefits of upcoming technology resources. 3 theories of sociology and symbiotical interactional theory, conflict theory, and functionalist theory. Socialization analyzing social phenomena at different levels and different perspectives. Social interaction theory is a major frame of sociology theory. So technology surely has the potential to enable solutions to some of the most pressing issues that the world faces, not to mention getting the word out that works a little bit easier. There are key examples that help technology change in our storage. The store will be impacted by the changes and will need to stay ahead of the game. We will keep up with the new technology changes and customers coming to our store, online and physical store. We keep adding and changing social media app and keep the new generations coming to our store. This new way of shopping online with apps and help the store stay with the future of the new technology changing. As long as we keep changing, we will keep up, and the store should be able to keep the customers coming in. Conflict theory with differing in interests, values, resources, and how social media even from more conflict than before. Online social media is a bigger conflict than any company. The conflict theory is now reaching a global audience and demanding changes. Social media can help break your company, and someone doesn't like something, they will post it on social media letting everyone know. The symbolic interaction theory is the three main aspects of the theory: the meaning, the language, through all the interpretations of different ways from the staff. Each person views and learns different, with seeing the statement of the same meeting and always interesting. The staff is told to review the meeting in minutes, and they don't. And seeing the different views and showing how that works with a great experience. Someone hearing and seeing how different everyone is, and good for the company to learn and show different views and fix what needs to be fixed. Culture and technology and social is changed. Culture lag difference from different changes in one sector of the company to respond to changes in another sector of society. Change in society is people. The amount of people keep growing and growing. Technology changes with more people, more ideas within the change. Nature environment changes with more people and more towns and cities. The environmental change with the growth and expanding cities with more room needed. The functionalist theory is a functionalism, or socialism is a factor of building theory that sees society as a complex system that works together to promote solidarity and stability. Communications with technology. Texting your boss is going to be late, emailing about a meeting, a question, tweeting what's going on to be on sale, blogging is good things to help sale of the store. All these negotiable examples that help the store stay ahead of technology, sales, and employment communication. Positive and negative consequences to store. Networking sites can bring both out. One of the posts can ruin your business, one post can save your business. Someone can really like your store and post what they bought and how nice the employees are with smiles and greatness to be at work. This will bring more sales. The difference in communication and media has potential of conflict, of misunderstanding between generations. Learning together in different age groups, learning from one another can page and communication key. Sell items from one level to here to sales from the customers asking for it. So listen to comments and concerns of the customers. Effects on employees' attitudes. Most stay positive with changes happening. Learning and changing is a good thing. We can stay positive with customers, trust one another, and engage in modern technology where we have in the store and learn from one another. The more trust, the less stress with the changes. Workers report having trust in the company will recognize them for contributions. Change causes stress with communication. It is always changing. When we need less stress, more communications with each other. Deviance in the physical world about crime, negative threats, and social behavior. Negative responses in the world with physical behaviors and deviance in the physical world. So with deviance in the physical world of the store, we just need to watch what is happening in every person that comes into the store. With stealing and crime rates, we just need to keep an eye on what's happening in the store. Deviance is not just hacking, cracking, web page defacing. It has become cyber stalking, cyber harassment in the digital world. Cyber stalking is most men, women on harassment in different types of websites and web pages. Deviance is not just hacking, cracking, or web page defacing. It's become cyber stalking or cyber harassment in the digital world. Cyber stalking is mostly men stalking women online and harassing on different types of websites and web pages. These are people for cyberbullying or children at all different ages and say mean things online instead of to the face. So cyberbullying has become really bad when younger generations, with some kids, even commit suicide because of bullying. Deviance activity often reflects individuals' persuasive behavior through email, news groups, messaging, chat room, conversation. We have to hire a person to watch the website on behavior level of our employees and what they post. If that's not an image for our company, we'll have to talk to that employee and see what is going on. There's no bullying online or cyber stalking from employees. Nobody should or want to stalk one of our customers if there's an issue. No employees should say mean words to customers or follow customers online. The internet, mobile apps, and information technology are enabled in the society structure of finance, health, education, and business in many countries throughout the world. Almost everyone has the internet at their fingers. The internet doesn't show us who or what or how someone is using the internet to steal, fraud, or harass against our company. The internet can say it is someone who is not. Online takes away from the store's business might be working on the way around that. Internal stakeholders and external stakeholders like to see numbers on what is happening with the digital world and how deviance affects our numbers in the store. So we all have to get together and discuss the way we are working and what we should do to protect our company. Working together and learning what is going on is always good for business. Conflict theory. Which theory would be the best for the society in which we live in today? I think we live in a world that would be most like symbolic interactive theory, because we live in for communications. Everyone has a cell phone that shows everyone what they are doing in every moment. The language and symbols they use of the cell phone app show their social world and what they are doing. Each teenager nowadays has to show the group they're in what they're doing at every moment, and so does everyone in the group. So only communication with these apps, no more calling or texting. These apps out there have a social communication for some groups. So the world is now seeing by what the others are doing and where they are at all times. Society has become a communication with cell apps, not talking and learning from one another. The apps show different goofy views of what person can do and change the look of a person by adding goofy add-on to their face. This shows how the world is changing the aspects of symbol interaction with society as a cell phone, as a necessity with groups, and only communication skills some have with society. So protecting our company is our main priority since technology is so advanced now. We have to keep up with the hackers to protect our employees and customers, putting extra spyware on computers we use for everything, watching emails coming in to make sure they're safe, and watch what is posted for our company to make sure there's nothing attached to these programs out there. So we have a department just to watch hackers and what our employees are doing so we don't get a virus or a worm. We must keep ourselves protected from everything. Thank you. That's it.